Maayong gabi ka na itong tanan, mga Cebuano. It's night time here in the state of California. I'm not entirely sure what time it is there in the Philippines, but maayong adlaw ka na itong tanan. Di sa ako magsinggit karong adlaw, di na ako ipakita nga akong kanang kuan, ugat sa akong ulo karon, magbinuotan sa da karon. Because I've been thinking, this past few days ba, weeks even, na it's been bothering me, na gini mga tao gini nga, wala dyan katagbawan. Grabe sa. Can you imagine? You've gone through 8 elections, but you still yearn for power? Can you imagine? And you won't even play clean. You will do everything in your power to stay in power. And what's mind-boggling about it is that you no longer even see the wrong things that you're doing. That kind of person to me is really dangerous. I don't know about you, between you and me, that's an extreme case of narcissism. Because you no longer are seeing that you're already hurting yourself and the people around you. It's crazy to think that there are people like that out there. More so is the governor of Cebu. 8 elections. Grabe, walay katagbawan. Kita tanan ba? Namang yun tayo mga points sa atong life na naagi na to ang kanang dark phases in our life. Even you, ikaw gatanaw, ikaw mismo, ikaw nga gatanaw ng video karon. Niagi sad ka o kanang dark phases in your life. Di ba? Even me. Kitang tanan niagi ana. Pero matagbaw mataoy, we know how to call it quits. We know when to say enough is enough. Ako mismo, my life is an open book. Tanang mga kaagi na ko naatanan sa Facebook. Tanan. Anyone can ask a question about it. Niagi ko bisyo, niagi ko kanang palahubog, niagi... Grabe. Kaya ko magod ko, spoiled magod ko, ako'y kamanghoran, and then I come from a well-off family sa gyud. I'm not bragging or anything, but I do come from a well-off family. And pero, despite all of that, sa akong mura nga edad, naka-realize man ko na enough is enough. So you know what I did? I cleaned myself up. I took law school. And I am now working at one of the biggest banks in the state of California. Because I know how to say enough is enough. Mao na ako dyan yung pirmi ibalik-balik yun. Always ganin ako isulti yun. It only takes one decision to ruin your life, the same way that it only takes one decision to make it better. Mao na always ginan ako na ibalik-balik. Mao nang suko kaayo ko sa bangag administration. Kaya they're normalizing crimes and it's insane. Grabe ang talamak nga drogas diha sa Pilipinas. Grabe kaayo ang crimes. Now going back to Gwen. Wala siya katagbawan, guys. Grabe. When is enough enough? You know what I mean? Mayo unta ba nga kanang muduwa man gani ka, at least play clean. Kana ganing dili ka maghinglaod gani. Maluoy pa siguro mga tao nimo. Pero dili oy, wala, grabe. Grabe ka, nisamot ka kamangtas. Tanang musturya nga against nimo, tanang comment. Even though naa sila sa ilang sulod, sa ilang katungod, their constitutional right to make that comment, to express, to be able to express their grievances. They can't even do that. Kaya imong kasuhan. So I trust that the Cebuanos already know what to do on May 12. The Cebuanos are smart enough. And I think that they are seeing your true colors already. Sayang. From the very beginning, I have been watching you. And you were once a good governor. What happened, Gwen? What happened? When you sided with the Bangag administration, and you betrayed the Dutertes, that was when your political career ended. You're doing this to yourself. Do not blame anyone. Do not blame the people who are expressing their grievances as to how you are running the province of Cebu. Do not blame anyone but yourself. This is all on you. It's sad, really, because you don't even know it. You can't even see it. Kaya mga tao sa palibot nimo, yes, Gob, oy nanay Gob, bitaw Gob. I'm sure inana mga tao sa mong palibot. Sorry, I'm not like that. I'm not even into politics. But I know the difference between right and wrong, good and evil. It just pisses me off every time na naay mga public servants nga mutamak-tamak gani sa mga tao gani na wala gani kibaw sa ilang mga katungod. It pisses me off. And that's why I'm doing the things that I do. It's not because I want to run for an office. No. It's far from that. It just pisses me off when a public servant tramples on the rights of the Filipino people. It pisses me off every time. And I hope that in time, after the elections, you will see that it was game over for you when you sided with the Bangag administration. It's sad, but it is what it is. You made your decision. I trust that the Cebuanos are already smart enough. They know and are seeing your true colors already. And I hope you too.